So today I received my new tire and my wheel balancer for my bike. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to take off your tire, mount and balance your tire, and I think that should be it. Check off fluids and stuff. So stay tuned for the video. So right here, deep beating the tire off the wheel. Taking a little bit of time. I deep beat it 3 times from each side or twice, can't remember. So now I'm mounting the the wheel, so I could take off the tire, making sure it's all in place, intact. I'm using Hunter tire removal. And take me a little bit of time, making sure I'm grabbing the wheel good. Now I'm setting it, and there, boom, it's off. Next one, whole tire is completely off. Now I'm just lubing up the tire, the new tire I'm gonna put on. Lubing it, lubing it, lubing it, lubing it, lubing it. Lots of lube, make it slide easier, but didn't realize that these slide in easily. Now I'm just checking if the tire has rotation. Figure out which way the tire rotates, putting it on. These tires are really easy to put on. No hesitation, a lot of flexibility. At this point, I already balanced the tire, so now I'm just mounting it back on. I'm gonna have a separate video showing how I balanced it. Now this one I already have it on. Now I'm just torquing down the lug nut, torquing it down, making sure it's good and tight, torque to spec. And that's it, folks. Mount, balance, new tire. That is it, folks. That's it for the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Share with your buddies. More content to come.